what's up? So it's a very beautiful day and I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree today, and also I'm going to put up lights and all that stuff, so I'm super excited for that. But before that, we will be visiting museum today. I am going to National Maritime Museum, which is in Greenwich. So yesterday, which was Saturday, it was raining heavily and we couldn't go out, and every weekend we make a point that we need to explore this beautiful city. So today we are going to explore Greenwich, and then we'll go for grocery shopping because that's something that is pending throughout the week. And then I also am planning to make cupcakes for the very first time. So this video is going to be about a lot of things. I just hope everything goes really well, and I'm just going to go with the flow and yes, enjoy this beautiful weekend. So guys, the place that we are going to visit today is called National Maritime Museum. It's a nautical museum, so there's going to be a lot of ships and all of that. I was pretty excited for this museum for a really long time, but somehow I couldn't make it. But today is the day when we are going to explore this museum and of course go to grocery shopping to Waitrose. So I've already made a grocery shopping video. If you haven't watched it yet, then do watch it. It's going to be linked in the description box. We have just reached the museum, and I cannot tell you guys how beautiful the building is, and also there's so much of greenery, like vast space of just greenery. Oh, look at this. Wow. So what you see in front of ships, these are the things which are known as figureheads. So guys, this place is so good. It's so mesmerizing, and at the same time it is so informational. You get to know a lot of things. So if you're coming to London, make sure that you visit this museum. It's completely free of cost. And right now I've just completed one side of the wing and Sid is busy. He is at a photography exhibition which is happening right here. So I'm just exploring on my own and he's going to join me soon. I don't think we will be able to cover all the wings. I will be coming next time to complete this museum because I didn't know that it's so vast. So yeah, such beautiful lighting. Merry Christmas. So guys, we just got done with exploring the museum, but we'll come again because we couldn't explore all of it. So right now we are off to Waitrose for some grocery shopping. So this is the recipe for the cupcake, and we are just trying to find all the ingredients here at the baking section. Hi guys, what's up? So it's day 2. I couldn't vlog yesterday because after grocery shopping I had to arrange all the groceries and of course had to prepare dinner. We had the dinner and I had no energy left to decorate the tree. So it's day 2 of Christmas tree decoration. Before starting off with the decoration, I wanted to share something. So I wanted to dedicate this video to my brother. I wanted to talk about how this started, like decorating the tree. So we were like kids when we started decorating trees. So me and my brother have always been really excited about Christmas. When you see me, my brother is exactly like me. He's super excited about everything and he loves exploring. So both of us team up, and we always bring the tree at home and decorate it. So we had this really small tree. I'm going to put the picture right here. So this tree was like everything for us. We would decorate it every year. But after a few years, I felt like that the tree was quite small and I wanted a bigger tree. And just randomly I said to my bhaiya that, bhaiya, I want a bigger tree this year and I want a Santa. So I just said that and I forgot about it, and he just surprised me that year with a very bigger Christmas tree and also with a very cute Santa, and we would decorate it together. And I was really happy because he did that with his pocket money. And for us, Christmas means there's a ritual. Both of us would put up balloons, we would cut cake, we would go to Park Street, and we would go to church, and also we would decorate the tree, of course, together. So all my Christmas memories is related with him, and that's the reason why I wanted to dedicate this video to him. It's the second time, because it's the second year of my marriage, when I'm away from home and decorating my tree on my own. So yeah, so I just want my brother to come next year to London, and I hope we would decorate the tree together. ये मेरे सर पे फिट ही नहीं हो रहा. So this is what I'm wearing. It says Team Rudolph. It's from H&M. I really love this jumper. Whoa. First, if you have seen my Christmas shopping video, you know that I bought few things for Christmas. So I wanted to show you guys all of that, all the things that I'm going to use today for decorating the tree and also the house. So this is everything that we have got. So most of it is really affordable. I got either from Asda, Primark, Flying Tiger, and all of that, reasonable stores. So one thing that I didn't like is these baubles, like all these baubles, the strings are not attached. So strings are in here, so I need to attach it, like I need to tie all the strings and then get the baubles ready. So there are a lot of baubles, so let's just do that. So I just realized that it is impossible to tie the strings in each bauble, and then I would be really late if I would do that. So I have got another alternative, and that is this. So this is just the normal clip. I got this because I knew that this might happen. So you just need to put the baubles in here and hang it on the tree. So this is much better and faster way. So all the baubles are ready. Here are the bigger ones and here are the smaller ones, and here are also the cute heart ones. So this was the place where the dining table was, so we just kept the dining table a bit here, and here we are going to put the tree. Here's the tree. halfway through the decorations, and I have to decorate the table and also the windows and make cupcakes and a lot of that. So that will be done tomorrow. For now, I'm just going to clean up all the mess and rest a bit. So yes, see you tomorrow morning. Hey guys, what's up? So it's day 3 and I'm going to bake cupcakes today and also finish off all the decorations that was pending yesterday. So the thing is, I've never in my life baked cupcakes. So for the first time I'm going to do that, because ever since I came into this house and I saw the oven here, I was like, I need to bake something. Although we just roast veggies and all of that in that oven, but I wanted to bake something like a dessert or something, and Christmas is the time when we can, you know, easily have these kind of stuff. So I just thought that why not bake cupcakes, and the recipe is not my own. I just googled eggless cupcakes and whatever you know came in, I'm just going to refer to that and going to make a cupcake. So it's going to be their recipe. I'm going to post the link of the blog post in the description box if you guys want to bake. Let's see if it turns out well or not. This is just an experiment, I'm telling you guys. It's not something that I am a pro at it or nothing like that, but you know, whatever I do, I like to share it with you guys because it's so much fun. And also we'll finish off all the rest of the decorations after the cupcake is done. So yes, let's just start with all of that. Let's just go. First we'll start with the dry ingredients and then liquid ones and then mix it together. So this is the ingredient list and let's just start with baking. The batter tastes amazing. Now it's time to preheat the oven. So this is what I got from Poundland. It just cost £1 and it is cupcake liners, which is Christmas themed. The cupcake is in the oven. Until that time, let's decorate whatever is left. So let's get started with that. So I got these window stickers for this window. It has got snowflakes on it. I got it from Poundland. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, if the camera is capturing it well or not, I really don't know. But this snowflakes look really beautiful on the window. It's so stunning. It looks like there's a snowfall going on and it's super adorable. I just hope you can see it. Yeah. So I just kept Sid's gift under the tree and it actually says no peeking at all because I warned him not to peek at all. So it's coming out clean. So I guess it's done. So that was it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching it. Bye for now and Merry Christmas.